Good morning, dear kids, and wish you all happy Mahalya. Now, children, since in the last class we did word problem based on multiplication by 3 of page number 82 of your maths book. So, today we will do word problem based on multiplication by 4. Since children, you all have submitted your maths classwork notebook for correction, so you all will do these work in your activity and revision notebook. Okay? ये सारा वर्क जो मैं अभी करा रही हूँ आप सभी अपने एक्टिविटी एंड रिविज़न नोटबुक में विद द डेट दे करके करते जाएंगे. So let's start, children, and this is also same as we have done before word problem, as we have done before word problem multiplication word problem में जैसा किया था ये सारा कुछ same है. There is no difference, only the numbers are different. So here today, first of all, you will write on the date of today. It is 6 October 21. Then write down the heading under the margin multiplication by 4, word problem based on multiplication by 4. So only you will write on the multiplication by 4. So I will solve the 3 questions since there are 4 word problems given in your maths book on the page number 84. So among all these 4 word problem I am going to solve 3, and the last one, children, you all will solve by yourself, and you will send your work in the group also today before 12:30. And those who could not send their work before 12:30 today, they can send their work on my personal chat also in evening. Okay, so let's start. The first question is 4 elephants have 4 sugar canes each. Again, the each word is common. As we can see, each word is common in all the multiplication word. Yes, na? So how many elephants are there? 4 elephants. So 4 is the number of elephants. So our first statement will be number of elephants, which is 4. And the second 4 is the number of sugar canes. This 4 indicates the number of sugar canes that each elephant has. Okay, children? So our second statement will be number of sugar canes each elephant has. That is 4 again. Now here we have to find out how many sugar canes are there in all. That means we have to find out the total number of elephants. No. How many sugar canes? That means we have to find out the total number of sugar canes. So here we will write the total number of sugar canes. That will be, since we have 4 elephant, 4 elephant है. मान लीजिए कि मैं boxes बना रही हूँ. There are 4 boxes for 4 elephants, and each elephant has 4 sugar canes. That means 1 plus 4 plus 4 and then again plus 4 है ना. We will add 4 times. So here we have to add 4 times 4. That means in word we will write down here 4 times 4. Since it is repeated addition, when we add the same number over and over again, then it is called repeated addition. And this can be solved easily and quickly by multiplication. That means 4 times 4, which is equal to, आपको टेबल याद हो चुका है ना, 4 4 जा 16. Yes, the total number of sugar cane will be 16. You will write on your answer. Very easy, children. Let's solve one more question. 2 girls have 4 lollipops. 2 girls. That means here first this number 2 indicates the number of girls. So first statement will be number of girls, that is 2, and 4 lollipop each. Again we find each word is here. That means हर एक गर्ल्स के पास 4 लॉलीपॉप्स हैं. Number of lollipops each girl has is 4. Total lollipops, तो एक लड़की के पास, एक गर्ल्स के पास 4 lollipops. Again 4 lollipops since there are 2 girls and each girl has 4 lollipops. That means here we are adding 4 2 times. So 2 times 4. We will write down 2 times 4 which is equal to 2 multiplying by 4 which is equal to 8. So total number of lollipop will be 8. So easy. So children, question number 3 and question number 4. One more question I am going to solve. 2 monkeys have 4 mangoes each. Again all the questions are same, है ना, pattern, or they are similar, not exactly same, they are similar. So number of monkeys here 2 and each monkey has 4 mangoes. So here we will write the number of mangoes each monkey has. There is 4. That means again total number of mangoes here we have to write the one monkey has 4 mango, one more monkey has 4 again. Since we are adding 2 times 4, so we will write down here again 2 times 4 which is equal to 2 multiplying by 4 is equal to 8. So answer is 8. So last one children, all of you will solve by yourself और इसको solve करके ये चारों सम का फ़ोटो खींचकर आप ग्रुप में before 12:30 PM you all will send this work.